below. Today I'm going to take you on a quick tour of my mini garden. Stay tuned. So before, this bed had a mixture of broad beans and lentils to fix the soil. And then it was all chopped down and covered with some cardboard. And because it's been so hot, this bed must have dried out, and all the microbes and fungi and all the animals must have died or left this bed. So at the moment this soil is pretty poor at the minute, but it was great, really nice living soil. And now I'm going to show you what I have planted. So from the corner to the stick, I've got chickpeas planted. That is my first time growing chickpeas. Then in this part here I have some dwarf beans planted, and here we did have some rocket and Thai basil, but it's been so hot so they've probably dried out. Here we have a oregano and lemon balm plant. Here we have a sage plant that is overwintered. Here 2 fenugreek plants, and here 2 daisies, and this is what they look like. And above the fence we have some peas. They're looking pretty dried out, that probably need to come out soon, but I've been harvesting them for quite a while now. And soon I should have some more herbs and flowers planted. And here we have a DIY sub-irrigation system that has a bottle, then a little pipe coming down, and then on the back going all the way along the back fence. And here on the edge of the mini garden we have a small vetiver plant growing. So that's it for the mini garden now, and soon I'll be doing an update on how they're all growing. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tours.